is it is divided into two currents. I2 is flowing through this one, and I3 is flowing through this 2 ohm resistor, and I4 is flowing through this R. We do not know about its resistance. The question is, this all is the information. The question is, state the relationship between I1, I2, and I3. What is the relationship between I1, I2, and I3? Yes, who will tell me about that?
I1 is equal to I2 plus I3.
Yes, very good. Because this I1 is divided into two parts, so definitely these two currents are the sub parts of this I1. That is why I can simply say that I1 is equals to I2 plus I3. Got it? Zainab, Mariam, Ariba, Khadija, sabko pata chal gaya, and Noor also.
Yes,
And
sir.
then I1 is equals to I1 and I4, because I1 and I4, they are the main currents again. So what will be their relation? I1 will
I
be,
is equals to I4.
yes. So that is, these are the 2 marks you people can score. Then an emitter of 0.80 ampere, assume it has no resistance, zero resistance, calculate the potential difference between X and Y. You have only 1 mark, so it is a simple question. The potential
Is
difference
it
between
calculate?
X and Y. Yes, you have to calculate. What you have to calculate? You have to calculate the potential difference between X and Y. So, what is the
Oh,
emitter reading? Emitter reading is basically 0.8 ampere. So that 0.8 ampere is
ampere.
the reading here. It means which current is being referred? This is 0.8 ampere. So that is the current which is flowing through 3 ohm resistor. So we have to calculate the potential difference. So what will be the value of potential difference? So now V is equals to I times R. Got it?
Yes.
V is unknown. And what is I? I is 0.80. And what is the resistance through which this current is flowing through?
Zero.
Ray. No, no, no. Resistance of the resistor. Actually, देखो, this is the resistor through which this current emitter is here, na? Emitter is
Hanji.
plugged here. So this is 3 ohm resistor, and emitter reading is 0.8 ampere. It means the current in this resistor, I told you that you must have 2 parameters out of 3 to calculate the third one, because we need voltages across this one. It means we will have the current, we have to use current and resistance of that. So what is the potential difference across that? It will be 2.4
2.4.
volt. Now problem is what you are asked. You are not asked to calculate the potential difference across 3 ohm resistor, but you are asked to calculate potential difference between these 2 points. So logically, how you can justify your answer?
Voltage
Yes.
of parallel is equal to voltage of series.
Your
But
first statement was correct. That potential difference in parallel is remains same. Our potential difference is yani is equal in both the is equal in both of these resistors. So the problem is this 3 ohm resistor and this 2 ohm resistor, are they in parallel or not?
Yes.
yes, sir.
That is why the potential difference between these two parallel resistors would be same. So you can say that this is 2.4 volt. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next part is, yani, is this question clear to all? Is there anything? Yeah, this is not a question, man. Hmm? Beta ji, there are some parts missing. Part 2, calculate resistance of resistor R. Chalo shabash, everyone.
Sir, have you memorized them or something?
नहीं है नहीं यार.
Sir, I wouldn't be surprised.
Calculate. Hmm?
I wouldn't be surprised if you have
Yes.
memorized them.
हो सकते हैं ना पुत्र, इतने बच्चों को पढ़ाया, हो नहीं सकते? तुम क्या कहती हो? Calculate R of the variable resistor. Is it a variable? No, nah, it is a fixed. So calculate R of the resistor. Yes, hurry up. You have just 2 minutes. Sorry, 3 minutes and 3 marks question.
Um,
Sir, could you zoom out a bit then?
Yes. Welcome back to class.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. You can have 4 marks for this. Mean
uh,
my generosity.
generosity or difficulty?
Yeah, definitely. It it deserves 4 marks. That's why.
Sir,
So I
think
have to be generous enough.
answer.
Huh?
I think I have the answer.
Yeah, you got the answer.
Sir, मुझे लगता है
4 नंबर ले लोगी तुम इतने जल्दी जल्दी में? 1 मिनट ठहरो, मुझे कैलकुलेशंस करने दो. I am calculating at the back end with at my calculator, and then I will ensure that whether your calculations are correct or not. Yes. ये इतना आसान क्वेश्चन नहीं है पुत्र. It is difficult one. Just check that you are having only this reading over there. Only.
सर ये करंट कहाँ से आएगा?
पुत्र इसलिए तो 1 नंबर बढ़ाया ना हमने. ऐसे थोड़ी बढ़ाता मैं.
What is
शाबाश शाबाश, hurry
the
up.
total?
Sir, can you zoom out a little? I can't see the voltage for the battery. Thank
12
you.
volt, 12 volt. Welcome.
12 volt?
Oh, sorry,
12
6
volt.
volt. Sorry, 6, not 12.
Okay.
मरियम, तुम ना अंधाधुंध एतबार करती हो मुझ पे, ऐसा नहीं किया करो. वो 6 volt है.
सर, मुझे लगता है सही होगा.
ओके, चलो बताओ आंसर.
नहीं सर, आप पहले अपना आंसर बताएं, then I'll
मैं
see
क्यों
if it's
बताऊं भाई?
right.
मेरा आंसर तो सही वाला है.
No, नहीं सर, के फिर मैं आपको बताऊंगी अपना मेथड.
ओके, चल तुम मुझे व्हाट्सएप कर दो अपना आंसर, मैं देख लेता हूँ, ताकि ये
सर फोन नहीं है अभी.
तुम्हारा आंसर कॉपी नहीं हो.
सर मेरे पास
अह,
फोन नहीं है.
कोई मसला नहीं, चलो ठीक
सर
है.
should I?
हम थोड़ी देर.
अच्छा
हाँ.
अच्छा अच्छा, wait, let me text it to you.
ओके, तुम जाके टेक्स्ट करके आ जाओ ना अम्मी के नंबर से, मसला नहीं है.
5.
कैलकुलेट करेंगी ना, तब तक तुम वापस भी आ जाओगी.
Um, 5.
चल दोबारा कैलकुलेट करो.
5 this.
Sir, I was so confident.
हाँ पुत्र, 4 नंबर हैं. For 4 marks you have to work in transit in 2 parts. So that is why this question is, yani, I looked into this question, and but that question was incomplete. So it was not justice with this question. That's why I just provided you that part which was required to be asked. इस क्वेश्चन का सबसे बैकबोन यही था, ये जो मैंने पूछा है. बाकी सारा ऐसे ही फजूल सा क्वेश्चन है. हाँ जी, नूर, अरीबा, मरियम. Is Khadija there in the class?
No, sir.
खदीजा को मैसेज करना
No,
पड़ेगा
sir.
मुझे. ओके.
Five. टोटल रेजिस्टेंस भी नहीं है.
हाँ जी सर, वो भी नहीं है.
Uh, wait.
Sir, the ammeter, like, we take 0.80 or हम calculate करते हैं, like, for the
Oh,
ammeter, we use
Emitter, yes.
0.80 or do we calculate?
0.80 is given to you ना.
Okay.
ये आपको गिवन है. बच्चा जल्दी करो शाबाश. ये इतना लंबा क्वेश्चन नहीं था. 4 marks मतलब 4 minutes, not more than that.
oh, two. It's gonna be.
नहीं नहीं मरियम, नहीं बताना किसी को. सही वाला आंसर नहीं बताना.
मुझे भी कंफ्यूज कर रहे हैं.
Yes.
Mariam, your answer is probably right, so I guess you should mute then. Otherwise, we'll all get to know your answer.
Yes.
No,
Yeah, that
if
is good suggestion.
sir, no, if it's right, Mariam, don't mute your mic so I hear it too.
हाँ, ये भी बात सही है वैसे. तुम लोग अपने आप पे ट्रस्ट कब करना शुरू करोगे वैसे?
Um,
The worst
नहीं,
thing a
तुम्हारी
person
बात
can
नहीं.
do is trust themselves.
हाँ, बाकी लोगों की बात कर रहा हूँ. जब बाकी सारे मरियम पे ट्रस्ट करने लगेंगे तो फिर तो बात खराब हो जाएगी. Yes.
so,
You have last 2 minutes.
so,
अस्सलाम
so
वालेकुम.
I've done one thing, but never mind.
खैरियत खैरियत खैरियत.
What is sir?
Sir, since they're asking for the resistance specifically in the resistor, we're not gonna just take the one in the whole circuit, right?
Um,
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Allah. No. This is resistance of the or that resistor. What I have mentioned here. Only that resistor. This one.
sir, can you check the group
my
में send
God.
कर दिया मैंने? But sir, can you check it?
Yes.
The thing that I sent in the group.
No, it is incorrect.
Allah.
हाँ पुत्र चलो भाई एक और कोई ट्राई कर लो
Sir,
मरियम
एक
एंड
मिनट
ज़ैनब दे
it's
आर
like decimals or like whole number क्या है मतलब?
no value is incorrect
नहीं मतलब मैं वैसे पूछ रही हूँ ना the answer की value क्या है मतलब is it decimals is it whole number?
it is in decimals with whole numbers
हाँ?
आहो जल्दी करो शाबाश
Maryam, my answer was 3. So if you think about it, we're somewhere there.
no that is incorrect that has a lot of difference
Sir, but then I'm saying it 2.5 or 3.
It's very
नहीं
close.
जल्दी करो यार why you people are making so long Noor where is your option
Sir, you're giving me a heart attack. I'm sending it to you.
I have no
हाँ भाई
idea.
भेजो जल्दी करो ना टाइम वेस्ट हो रहा है
Sir,
I
could
have
you
to
zoom out?
Wait, sir, do I send the working on the group? Do I send it to you privately?
मुझे भेज दो ना I will check it out
Okay.
don't worry तुम लोग थोड़े तैयार हो जाओ तो फिर उसके बाद इंशाल्लाह it would be an open chat yes Noor what about you
Yes, I have no idea. Yeah, I'm still doing.
you have no idea
Maybe कर नहीं लगा.
Sir, I took the most far-fetched over elongated way ever. I'm hoping it's right because Cambridge
oh
is
my
evil.
god mashallah Aribaz you won the game
Huh? Sachi?
yes
Oh
your answer is
my
correct yes really
Oh my God.
yes this is the first answer I got correct
nice,
जल्दी करो
Ariba.
बुद्धू
Thank you.
Riva, answer please.
I can't unless sir gives me permission. I can be a
Oh
teacher
my
too.
god.
Ariba, are you for real?
just a
I'm a
second
teacher only for Sarayas.
yeah that is the answer perfect answer I will with your permission I'm gonna show the working here so because that is correct that's why I believe that there is no
Okay,
problem
sir.
at all
It's copyright.
whatever will be the finishing touch required I will make it inshallah but rest all is fine लेकिन अरीबा मसला अगर तुम्हारी कैलकुलेशन और मेरी कैलकुलेशन दोनों गलत हो गई तो मसला हो जाएगा ना
हाँ, ये भी है.
Sir, I believe
Copyright
me and
claim, though.
Mariam. Sir, I believe me and Mariam kind of.
Yeah, agreed.
ओके अभी करते हैं सारे का सॉल्यूशन here is that okay देखो the voltage is given is 6 volt that is the voltage of the battery so this is the total current right I total and resistance in one of the resistor that is here देखो this was the total current was not given to you but you now the potential difference between x and y that was equals to what 2.4 volt right did we calculate it or not
Yes.
Yes.
We did.
okay so it means that uh, current in this 3 yani in this 2 ohm resistor yani I3 will be equals to what V divided by R what is the potential difference the same 2.4 divided by resistance is 2 so you will get 1.2 ampere is it it means if I2 is 0.8 then I3 is 1.2 ampere that is why you were asked about this equation that student must know that I1 is equals to 0.8 plus 1.2 so what was the total current 2.0 ampere are you getting my point this is I1 and the second question which was asked to you that what is the relation between I1 and I4. This was for this reason that student must know that the current flowing through this resistor would be same as I1. So you will write that I4 is same as 2.0 ampere. Is this all clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if I say that if this all happened here, I'm just going to erase the record and calculate it again. Right. So first of all, how you will calculate score for 4 marks? You will calculate I2, which was equals to 2.4 divided by 0 point, sorry, divided by 2.0. So that was your 2 ampere. Sorry, what was that? Oh, 1.2
1.2.
ampere. 1.2 ampere. So it was your I2, and your total current I1 is equals to I2 plus I3. So that is 2 ampere. 1 mark here, 1 mark here. Okay. And now you will check one more thing, that the potential difference across that resistor is basically 6 minus 2.4 volt. Are you getting it? Because total voltages on the by the battery, they are 6 volts, and the potential difference across rest all of the circuit, yani this circuit, is how much? 2.4 volts,
2.4.
na? Yes.
Uh,
So I can say the remaining voltages would be dropped across this one.
yes. It's gonna be
Okay, so I use
3.6. It's gonna be
3.6. Yes,
3.6.
definitely. Yes, the potential difference across that is 3.6 volt. So you scored one more mark here, and then you did that. You have to calculate resistance of that R, which is equals to V of that resistor divided by I4, which is basically 3.6 divided by 2, and the answer is 1.8 ohm. So when I calculated this all in my mind, I just realized that yeah, this would be taking almost 4 marks. So I just awarded you 4 marks here. So 1 mark here again. So
Method
in
was
this
a
way,
little bit different though.
हाँ तुम्हारी approach थोड़ी सी different थी. That's why I made it simple for according to the mark scheme, according to the mark required. Now what was your approach? You did this all in this way. मैं ये भी बता दूं, across parallel combination, yes, you did this. I is 1 is equal to I 2 plus I3. So voltage across 2 ohm resistor is this. So it means current across that is this. Good. You made the same thing, but in, you were talking with yourself and writing whatever you were thinking. So I2 plus I3 is equals to 2 ampere. Good. So V is equals to IR. R is equals to V by I. So 6.6 by 2 is 3 ohm in the whole circuit. Yes, it means the total resistance in the circuit is 3 ohm. So out of 3 ohm, 1.2 ohm is the combination of parallel one, right? How? She made it properly, that 2 times 3 divided by 2 plus 3. Yani, let's see. That she calculated that resistance in the parallel combination is 1.2 ohm. Is it? By multiplication, yani product over some formula. And she realized, yani she calculated the total resistance is how much? 3 ohm. So what would be the resistance of this resistor? 3 minus 1.2. So she got the answer, right? This is another,
Got it.
but the simplest is V is equals to IR, V is equals to IR, and V is equals to IR. Is this all clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. अब बताओ जैनब, अगर ये क्वेश्चन आ गया मिड टर्म में तो
Sir,
It
तो
will be
ribbon
easy.
solve कर लिया ना.
नहीं
Yeah,
जैनब
bro,
जैनब
just hit me up. Hit me up a call and I'll help everybody.
yes.
The way you are not that this time.
Okay, now let's talk about this question. Is it clear? Noor, Ariba, Khadija, and everyone, is it clear to you? Mariam?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, the next is and electric heater is connected to to 230 main supply. The heater circuit includes two resistors R1, R2, and R1 and R2, and two switches S1 and S2 in figure 8.1. The circuit diagram is in front of you. The resistance R1 is 46 ohm. So you can write the values in front of that. It is 46 ohm, and resistance R2 is also 46 ohm. Oh, wow. It's identical resistors. S1
Sir,
is closed, and yes.
you wrote 48.
Oh my god. 2 ohm resistance मैंने ऊपर कैसे लगा दी? S1 is closed and S2 remain open. S1 is closed, right? So it means the other resistor is out of contact now. Yani that is not the part of the circuit. The current in the main supply. What you have to calculate? You have to calculate current in the main power supply. Yeah, main supply. Sorry, main supply. Yani battery current. So how to do that? It is basically only this is the circuit you have to work out. This is actually V is equals to IR will help you out, and again I will be equals to V divided by R. So
Or
230 divided by 46.
5.
ये कितना हो
5
जाएगा?
here.
10/2. तो 10/2 मतलब 5 है ना?
Yes.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
लेकिन R1 and R2 they're connected in parallel, so we don't do like a
No,
power.
no, no. This switch is open now. I mean, till this point,
Ooh,
this
okay.
S2 is open. Mean current will not flow through that.
Mhm.
That's why I made one close and one open. The power dissipated in the heater. The power dissipated in the heater. I mean, heater one. Only heater number one is there, no? So power is equals to I square into R. Yeah, we got the current 5 square times 46. So what will be the answer?
1150.
70.
11 50 watt.
Yes.
Okay. Switch S is now closed. State the current in R2. Yes, it is just state. Current आपने R2 में state करना है. Switch S is now closed. S2 is closed. S2 is closed. Yeah, S2 is now closed. State the current in R2.
The one that we found.
Same.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Same current, exactly. Because the battery is supplying 230 to this one. So the current here is how much? It was 5 ampere. So current here would also be 5 ampere. Got it?
Yes, sir.
अभी फिर ये क्वेश्चन आधा है तो इसको हम कैसे कर सकते हैं? It is 5 ampere. Right.
सर वैसे आप
So
जो टेस्ट में क्वेश्चंस देते हैं वो आप आधे खुद पूरे करते हैं ना?
yes. अब आप देखो, अब रिमेनिंग पार्ट में आपसे काफी सारी इंपॉर्टेंट डिस्कशन की जा सकती है इसमें. फॉर एग्जांपल you can calculate the total power dissipation now. Total power
Dissipation.
dissipation across the heaters. Yeah, actually agar power dissipation तो it is quite easy now. Dissipation across heaters. Okay, so
Okay.
that can be of 3 marks. Okay, R, you can ask the same thing in this way. Calculate the power generated by battery. ठीक है? Generated by mains या battery. Okay, so what will you do then? Your power dissipation पहले solve कर लेते हैं. That power dissipation is I square R. Got it? Yeah,
Mm.
you can simply say that the total power dissipation is equals to power across heater 1 plus power across heater 2. So there are two methods. simply speaking. In this first method, you must know the total current, which is 5 plus 5, 10 ampere whole square.
Sir, are you speaking?
Sorry, there was some sort of misunderstanding. I was speaking, but my mic was just gone. Now, can you people hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sorry for
Yeah.
that. I'm saying that what is the total power actually? Total power is power dissipation is total current ka square into total resistance of the circuit. Na? Is it?
G, yes.
When current is 5 ampere in each, so 5 plus 5, 10 ampere is the total current. Is this all clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then it means that when you have 10 ampere current, then what will be the total resistance of these two heaters when they are connected in parallel? 46 is here and 46 is here. So these two are in parallel. So for resistance in parallel can be calculated as 46 into 46 divided by 46 plus 46 simply. So it would give you 23 only, right? Or in simple words, a resistance of one resistor is 46 and there are two resistors overall. So your answer would be 23. So that is the total resistance in parallel combination. So you can go through by this way that it is 10 ka square into 23. So what will be the total power dissipation? 2300 watts. Okay, is it clear to all? You people hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
यही काम मैंने दूसरे मेथड से भी आपको करवाया. Power in heater 1 and power in heater 2 mean I1 square into R plus I2 square into R. So just add them together and enjoy the answer. I1 square into R1 plus I2 square into R2. So in parallel powers are added. I1 आपका कितना है? 5 square into 46 plus 5 square into 46. So you will get the same answer hopefully. Is it?
Yes.
Mhm.
And if
Yeah.
it is that power
Yes.
generated by the battery, power produced by battery, that is that is V times I. You will not use I square R formula because you're not having resistance of the battery. So you will use I square R formula. Sorry, you will use VI formula. So what is the voltage of the battery? 240. Sorry, 230. कितना है?
230. 230.
230. Okay, that is 230. Is Zainab in the class?
Yes, sir.
जैनब अगर ये आ गया तो
जो आप मुझे
230.
डरा रहे हैं, क्या ये सच्ची में
what will
आएगा?
be the what will be the total current? अब तुम्हारी लक है ना, अब देखो चेक कर लेते हैं. If it would be there, then you would be the most lucky guy in the physics. Current
Is
current
it
क्या है? Total current. Total current बताइए मुझे. It would be 10 ना.
Mm, yes.
So again you got 2300 watt. Simple. No problem at all.
Sir, so will we get the same amount of marks for all of these?
Everything. यानी ये जो मैंने करा ना, for everything you will get the same amount of mark. The then the next part, which part of that question can be, if the if both the heaters, let's say, if both the heaters work for 2 hours, calculate energy dissipation in kilowatt hours. Yes, that is
Okay,
2 marks question.
this is
So you have to calculate energy. So आपका energy क्या होता है? Energy is equals to power into time. Got it?
yes.
So
Is it
power of
four?
both the heaters is 2300 watt, and that is in hours. Sorry, that is in watts. So when you will divide it by 1000, now this power is into kilowatt. And what is time actually?
Two
Time is 2
hours.
hours. So why I have written units to make it clear that the answer will be in kilowatt hour. So just calculations करिए जरा.
Four
The
point
2
six.
will be gone. 2 5 कितना हो गया?
4.6.
Yes, 4.6 kWh. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So simply, if the cost of electricity is, let's say, uh, 0.5 cents per unit, then what will be the electricity cost? That will be 4.6 times 0.5. So you would get 2.3 cents for that one. So these type of the questions can be regenerated. That's why I told you that you people have to generate some questions. And I got one response from Noor. Noor, should I share the question?
Sir, मैंने भी भेजा है, ये क्या बात है?
आपने भेजा, मुझे अभी भेजा है. Okay, sir.
नहीं,
Sorry.
पहले भेजा था.
अच्छा. The questions you have prepared, right?
I only prepared one. It's for 12 marks, and that's what matters.
Okay. 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 What will I do? Oh, yeah.